Hello and welcome to the winter release video of what's new in Passware Kit. Full disk encryption remains a key focus area for Passware. The new Passware Kit now supports decryption of the latest VeraCrypt versions via memory image analysis. It includes both VeraCrypt for Windows and Linux. In addition, the BitLocker memory analysis attack performs up to 68 times faster. Passware Kit needs only 15 seconds to analyze an 8 GB memory image to extract a BitLocker volume master key. The Passware team expanded the range of supported hardware devices. The device decryption add-on now supports both the 4 and 6 TB MyBook models from years 2021 through 2024, the latest MyPassport series hard disk drives, and the Lenovo ThinkPad E series. We've also improved the GPU acceleration for EFI password recovery. It applies to Macs with or without the T2 chip. The speed increase is more than 26% on a single NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti. Rainbow tables for Windows are now processed 35 times faster. Thanks to a multi-threaded support, Passware Kit uses all available CPU cores and RAM of the machine to improve the performance. The latest version of Passware Kit also recovers passwords for MySQL SHA-1 hashes. The speed is over 63 million passwords per second on an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. To wrap it up, we're excited to announce an updated large dictionary. It contains over 28 billion passwords and is enhanced with data from password leaks and password exchange. The 2025 edition is already available for download from your Passware account. Discover even more details on our blog post. We always welcome feedback or ideas on how to improve the Passware Kit. Cheers to a new year and the new possibilities it brings, and we'll see you in 2025.